Story time. So back in 2020 there was this thing called the stock market, about which the people only knew that it involved big money and that's it. Practically no one knew about what it actually was, to be honest. If anyone did knew about it, then it was either the operator, the broker slash D word, or the one who was being robbed with consent. Man, now I realize why all those middle-aged uncles would bash about stock market when their financially progressive millennial son would suggest that they invest in it, and for very obvious reasons too. So let's go back to 2020. It was during this time when everyone sat inside their houses having nothing to do in their spare time, get the realization that hey, we used to be hunters and gatherers, not just mere peasants. Why are we stuck doing all this? So now fed up with this monotonous and soul-sucking livelihood and well aware about who you used to be and who you are, you realize the spirit of your ancestors and go back to your ancestral roots again and start stepping into the unknown in search for the great. So out of all the things, you chose option trading. Now nowhere on God's green earth is there a place where retail option traders on any given statistic make daily minimum wage even in a month. Well, this was not all accidental and not all of it was your fault either. There was a shady force behind it driving you to do all these kind of acts and make these choices, whispering in your ears to sway you away. And it is now that we realize how dumb this force really was. They single-handedly managed to do what wise words of the old people and even the warnings of the regulator couldn't do, which is to make people realize how bad stock market can get. I mean the ones behind it. They had a really short career too, which just ended in 2023. Yes, I'm talking about the influencers. In this video, we will be delving deep into figuring out how influencers managed to ruin the stock market and investing in general for everyone. So to better understand how it all unfolded and why the things that happened the way they happened, we need to understand how the appeal for investing and trading came forth. Recently, and by recently I mean to say half a decade ago, people really got interested in investing, not particularly the stock market but investing overall. The most probable reason which could be attributed for this is probably the popularization of a mathematical concept known as compounding and all the wonders it could do. This concept of compounding is really interesting. So there is this half-baked doctor in a locality who gives instruction to a guy to mix some of this painkiller and some of that painkiller in the back rooms for treating a patient with piles. Yeah, the guy mixing those up is called the compounder and the profession involving this is called compounding. What compounding essentially is that you invest some money in a periodically interest laying asset and funnel those very interest generated into the original principal sum again, so that the total principal increases and you'd get more interest the next time. Keep doing this multiple times and you'll see what compounding is. Now, compounding isn't strictly limited to investing only. If you were to do this with a business selling goods or service and earning a profit, you would be able to do the same with it. I will be linking down a video in which Bill Ackman explains this with the example of a lemonade business. Ironically, he himself is a hedge fund manager. Well, apart from the awareness about compounding, another big reason for the popularity of investing was the availability of discount broker platforms, which facilitated easy access to stock market, mutual funds and other stuff. You might have got confused that the title of the video says investing and the thumbnail shows influencers who used to teach options trading as to be the individuals responsible for ruining investing, when in reality both are different things. There doesn't seem to be a correlation between the two, and for that I would like to say there is. You'll find out exactly how. Here's how it goes. When it is the first time that you get a Trading Plus Demat account for yourself, you are most likely there with the intention to invest and make money in the long term by investing. You make your very first investment in a stock that you have been eyeing upon and you think to leave it as it is for the next 15 years. But when the trade is executed, you see red and green flashing in the orders/portfolio section of the app and you find out that it reflects real-time variation with respect to the change in the current price of the stock. Right there is the beginning of temptations. In your head you think, maybe if I take active efforts in this, I might be able to take advantage from these price changes. This is exactly the point where the ones who entered in the stock market with the aspirations to invest become fascinated by short-term trading, thinking this might give them some leverage in making money. As in the case for investing, you would probably compound periodically in long intervals such as years, whereas in short-term trading you could do it daily if you wish to. So from here onwards, one has a mindset shift from being an investor to becoming a trader. Trading is an unknown territory for you. More than half of the time you are in the red. So what is the obvious and rational thing to do here? Well, it is to study how to trade. You look upon the internet, most probably on YouTube, where you find half-baked technicians not just teaching how to trade in the stock market, but you also get to see the millions they make regularly. Now this makes you even more fascinated and eager to learn and make money trading. But it isn't normal stock they are trading, no. The big guys are into options trading. For anyone wondering what's the deal with options trading, well, consider options trading to be the most difficult boss of any Souls game out there, or even more. It is one of the most complicated instruments to trade with in the stock market. But lucky for you, you've got profitable trader teachers on your side, isn't it? Who know a secret strategy to trade options and make millions. Let us just go deep in the rabbit hole. You do everything they teach, argue with your family members, peers and friends on everything they have to say about your finances. In your head, on the other hand, unbeknownst to them that you are about to have a big break where you will make everyone who doubted on you realize that you are about to make it big. And by big, I mean to say millions. You will be throwing 500 rupee notes out of charity on them. And to get there, you even buy the courses of your trading guru, having full faith in them. And surprise, surprise, you are still in the red at the end of every month. Sooner or later you find out they themselves are not profitable. All they do is sell lies, earn from courses, referrals and stock tips on Telegram, which is of course illegal by the way. And that is exactly what happened in 2023. The dominoes started to fall one by one. You're devastated and heartbroken too. You can't believe your trading guru did this to you. And so the image of stock market and everything associated with it starts to sour in your mind. Well, the busting of these trading gurus did not happen behind closed doors of course. It happened in the open, the internet, and everyone witnessed that it was a facade. And in their collective consciousness concluded the entirety of stock market to be a facade. Because when you find a cockroach on your plate of food, the cockroach doesn't become food automatically. Instead, the food is ruined and it is not palatable anymore. This is exactly what happened with investing too. And that's how influencers ended up ruining investing for everyone. I hope you liked this video and also hope that it added value to you. So be sure to hit like and subscribe for more content like this. And thank you for watching the video till the end. See you next time.